I'm tracking rain and snow for New England the next several days. Things are trending towards the warmer side, so more rain and less snow at last check. Let's get into the map, so I'll show you this now in more detail. Here come the storms down the weather highway. I'll go ahead and slow it down for you. This is today into Thursday into Friday. Notice here, there's some green, there's some blue. There's a system, a very weak wave coming down the weather highway, pushing east, some mountain snow showers, rain and snow mix inland in Maine, mountain snow, New York, also some rain showers over the Great Lakes in New York, some snow, northern Vermont and New Hampshire. Okay, that is for today into tonight. That system gets out of here Saturday, we're clear. On Sunday, here's the next weather maker. This one has snow inland for Maine. You see that here with the blue, but also rain, okay? The system trending on the warmer side, a little wintry mix in the foothills, rain back in New York, rain along the coast of Maine, okay? This is during the day Sunday. This is Sunday morning. So now put the map into motion here and notice during the day, the blue stays up north in the mountains here, Central Highlands North, northern New England, northern part there, upstate New York, and it's rain for down east. So things have trended on the warmer side with more rain and less snow. However, on the backside of the storm, and it's tough to do, but the backside here, there is some snow for the county mixing in. So we'll see how heavy that gets heading up into Maine. But then that gets out of here Monday night and Tuesday. And then we watch for the next weather maker, and it is late Thursday to Friday of next week, and this one is a warmer storm with a track farther north, okay, so all of New England gets rain except here in the crown of Maine, a wintry mix, okay, that's a warmer system right now. It's trending on a warmer side. Then we go out through November into November 24th and 25th, another system that is trending green. It's trending rain with a little bit of icing going on into Maine in the, basically the foothills, the Boundary Plateau, up into the North Woods, but very minor situation there. So that's a look at the next 10 days or so for the rainfall and the snowfall. In the last hour, you'll be able to see here this very weak system coming down the weather highway right now, with mostly on the rain side. There will be some snow, higher elevations of northern New England, but for the most part, it's a very weak storm system, and it's not going to bring a lot of precip. You'll notice it here passing to the east. Here's your little trough that's going to be passing to the east here. Temperatures are marginal in Maine at 32, around the freezing mark, 32 up around Saranac Lake in New York, and that's because the temperatures there are cool enough. Got enough cool air coming down from Canada right now. So a little bit slippery today, but not as slippery as it was yesterday and the day before. If you look at the wind, though, I want to show you what's going to happen here Sunday into Monday. The wind's going to crank up quite a bit. You'll notice it here from the system coming in. This is going to be Sunday into Monday in New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Massachusetts, and in Maine eventually. So late Sunday into Monday, the wind's going to crank up a bit for all of New England with the next system. Now, if I switch the map over here to total precip through Friday, November 28th, because we're talking about the drought update that just came through, you'll notice here total precip numbers are more than 1 inch for a good chunk of New England, okay, and even more than 2 and 3 inches up in the Central Highlands and in Maine. Also here with the lake enhancement going on in New York, upstate New York, okay, upward towards Syracuse. So if we look at the new drought monitor for New England, you will see here northern New England still in severe to extreme drought. There is a area here, Central Highlands, that's in moderate. But there's been an improvement in southern New England, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and New York. In the Northeast, there's been improvement, okay? So there's been some improvement with all the precip we've gotten, but there is still extreme drought going on in Maine, and I will show you that here. Look at this, for Maine, extreme drought ongoing. This is down east, heading up into Penobscot Bay, which is right here, okay? Casco Bay in the mid-coast right here, and a good chunk, almost all of southern Maine, The western foothills in severe drought, western mountains, high peaks, extreme drought. The central highlands, though, has seen an improvement. Okay, the drought has gone down there. So that's the latest update. If you want to follow along the forecast for Maine, I do it every day. You can subscribe, and I will see you on jasonnappyweather.com.